kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi love bugs, welcome back to the channel. Today you all, we are going to be doing a spring and Easter skinny tree. Y'all already know spring is in the air and Easter is coming pretty soon. So I could not let it pass me by not decorating my skinny tree, as you can see behind me here. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video because y'all know decorating a tree, it is time consuming, especially when you don't have a plan. And I don't have a plan, y'all. I have some items that I do know that I want to add to the tree, but I don't know how I want to style it. So I'm just going to be freestyling it as I go. But before we get all the way into this video, I want to welcome anyone that is new here. I also want to welcome those whom are returning, because you guys know those that are returning, y'all keep returning, y'all keep coming back, y'all keep supporting, and I can't do it without you all. So I need you all. And even if you're new and you like this type of content, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also leave me some comments down in the comment section to let me know what you liked about this video, what you would have done different, what you would have added. I don't mind getting suggestions. All right, you guys, without further ado, let's take a peek at what we're going to be using for this tree. So I have this mesh ribbon that I'm going to be using. It is so beautiful with the purples and the blues and the greens and the pinks, all spring colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. I may also use this ribbon as well too, the pink and white polka dot. It is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for the spring. I also have this green and white plaid that I may use as well too. I just like to pull out a lot of items, whether I use them or not. I just like them to be on hand. And I also have these beautiful spring colored ornaments. I have 3 boxes of those. So I have those that I'm using. I also have several picks. The Easter bunny pick. I have the egg pick, and I have them in different designs, you guys. Like I have this one, this egg here, and also I have the bunny in pink as well. And we have these a couple of bushes of these eggs here, the styrofoam. And so we may be utilizing those as well too. So you all, let's get into styling this skinny tree for the spring and Easter. So I'm going to go ahead and start out by utilizing my mesh, and I'm just going to drop it to the floor, and I'm going to gather, and I'm just going to use the branches on the tree to stabilize them, and then I'm just going to tuck it. And you can make your loops as big as you want to, as grand as you want to, or you can make them as small as you want to. In this sense, I want mine to be a little grand. And then if you want them different sizes, they can be different sizes. If you want them the same size, they can be the same size. It's whatever your vision is and what you want to see for your skinny tree. Okay, so that's what I have so far. Let's take a walk up to it. So you all can see what's going on right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it off at the bottom, and we're not decorating the back of the tree because it doesn't make sense to decorate the back of the tree because nobody's going to see it, because I'm going to actually push it back in the corner there. So without further ado, you guys, I want you guys to sit back, relax, grab your drink, grab your snack as I go ahead and decorate my skinny tree for the spring and Easter. I'll be jumping in and out, talking to y'all, explaining to y'all what I'm doing. Okay, you all, I have done the topper up there, and I've also added the bow, as you can see, and I think it looks cute. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff the tree with these ornaments. These are so pretty. And they are so soft. I love the spring color. I hope you all are enjoying the video and liking it so far. I hope these don't fall out because I didn't add any hooks to them. I'm just depending on the limbs. And all of the decor that I have here, I did purchase from Hobby Lobby this year. So I did purchase all of these because my main Easter bin kind of went missing, y'all. I don't know if I accidentally threw it away or what in the world happened, but I can't seem to locate it. So I have one more container with 6 more. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of those on there too. Sorry for the added noise here, guys. Okay, let's do a walk up real quick so you all can see what it is looking like with the tree topper, with the bow, as well as the beautiful, beautiful ornaments. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the picks. So let's step back as I add the picks. And these are the picks that I'm referring to. All right, love bugs, it is reveal time. I thank you all so much for tuning on this video today. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you like the reveal of my spring and Easter skinny tree. I enjoyed creating this video for you, and I pray that you take something away from it. So now, don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave me some comments down below, some sweet, loving, and kind comments. So, without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this reveal. What are we waiting for? I know y'all are waiting for the reveal. All I did was just add a few finishing touches on the tree, but for the most part you've seen it all. But anyway, I hope you stayed to see the final look of my spring and Easter skinny tree. All right, y'all, open your eyes. again, thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love this skinny tree and I hope you love it too. And I will see you all in the next video. All right, love bugs. Bye-bye. I'll see y'all in the next. Happy spring, everyone.
We at home with Lisa.